doctor visit. Tell me, doctor, am I really sick? He said I'm showing characteristics of being a snobby bitch. Yeah, I'm a puppet.
What is up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be cleaning my room with you guys. And before y'all get on this video and be like, "Oh, your room is nasty, why you got all that stuff in your room?" I just got back home from college because they kicked us out due to the coronavirus. So we got evicted. So I had to pack all my stuff up and bring it back to my room at home, and it has been a mess, and I just have not had time to clean and get everything back in the spot that it was before it got moved to another location. So I'm not dirty, promise. I just didn't have time to do all this. So I am going to be cleaning my room. It's like 12 o'clock at night right now, so I guess this is going to be a cleaning my room at 12 a.m. video. We'll see how that goes. But yeah, so it's a whole lot of work. When I say I literally threw everything onto my bed because I don't know where to put everything. So it's like I have all my stuff on my bed right now, including all my rugs. Like I took all my rugs off the floor so that I can clean those up. I have all my clothes literally everywhere. When I say there's like a basket here, a basket there, like 2 baskets on the side of me, basket over there, like there are clothes everywhere. My vanity is a mess. There's shoes all over the floor. I have a few water bottles, you know, and soda bottles in here that I left previously, but I'm gonna get all those out of here because I'm about to deep clean my room. And you know, if you want to clean your room too, or you need to clean your room, because we are quarantined, so you have no reason not to clean your room now. If you need to clean your room and you want to clean your room with me, let's go ahead and get started. So go ahead and get your little trash bags, get your sprays, get your rags, get your wipes, get your disinfectant spray, and let's go ahead and clean our room. Okay, so I don't really know where I want to start at, because when I said there's stuff everywhere, there's stuff everywhere. So I think I'm gonna start by rearranging a few things. Actually, no, I'm not gonna do that. That was a lie. I just lied to you. I think I'm gonna start by getting all the trash off my floor. I think that's the best place to start. So I'm gonna go ahead and sweep all the trash off my floor, and then after that, I guess I'll figure out what to do, because I have a lot to do. My hair keeps getting in my face. I need a hair bow. But yes, I have a lot to do, so I'm gonna go ahead and get all the trash out of my floor. And I'm pretty sure I'm gonna put this in sped up version, so you guys will be watching me clean my room, but you won't be watching me in real time, because this is probably gonna take me like 3 hours, most likely, about 3 hours. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and stop talking, because I feel like the fact that I don't want to do it is making me talk way more than I need to. So I'm gonna go ahead and do what I gotta do. And just so you guys know, I don't have any like food or anything in here. It's literally just like clothes and shoes and like various items that don't really need to be where they are right now. So I don't have like food and like stuff all up in here. So I decided I'm about to go ahead and take all these baskets out of my room, because usually when I clean, I tend to take all like the large items or anything that I'm not working with right now out of the room. So like these baskets and like these and like the tree that does not really need to be in here right now, all that stuff is gonna go in my hallway. So if you see it like disappear, then you know that like I took it out and go. I took it out in order to make space so I can properly get everything out of the way. so I just finished cleaning my vanity, and I want y'all to like not look too hard into the vanity because I'm definitely throwing this away, and I'm definitely getting a smaller vanity that will make my room look a little bit more spacious. And this one also is stained with like makeup and nail polish and all types of stuff that I can't get off. So even though I wiped it off, it still looks dirty, but it's not dirty. It's very clean actually. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna replace this soon and get a smaller vanity. And I'll probably film a video of me doing that, like at home vanity DIY, whatever that I end up doing. So yeah, just want to go ahead and say that. Ignore the vanity. Let's go ahead and move on to my bed area. There's a lot of stuff on my bed. I really don't want to do this, honestly. Also, all the clothes that were in my closet, I moved those over to the side because most of those are winter clothes that I brought back from school because it was spring semester, so it was still cold for like the first half. And the second half, where we were about to get naked and wear that clothes, I didn't get a chance to. So all those clothes are already packed up and put to the side, and then my winter clothes are packed away and put to the side. So most likely I'm going to take those downstairs to my basement, and I will go and retrieve them when it gets cold again. So yeah, if later in the video you see like bags in the corner, just know I'm done cleaning my room. I just like have to take my winter clothes downstairs. Alright y'all, so I have on different clothes and different makeup, but don't be mad at me. I got distracted and I started doing TikTok videos. In the middle of me cleaning my room. But regardless of that, I am going to show you guys the finished products of my room, even though I technically didn't show you guys the whole cleaning process because I did do TikToks and that is my fault. I apologize for that. But alright, I'm going to show y'all how my room looks after I cleaned it up. Alright guys, so it is the morning now and this is my completed room. The room did a total 180 from what it was before. I have my nightstand right here that you guys saw me clean off. And I have my candles with my wax warmer. And then this cute little plant that I got from Dollar Tree. And you know, my manifestation book and my sleep mask. I have all of my cleaning supplies down there along with my books as well. And I'm going to show you guys my bed. My room is technically Sephora themed, you know. This is my, it's like art that I just have above my bed because I feel like it's really aesthetically pleasing for me personally. But I have my art above my bed, and I have a little plant right there. I really love plants. None of these are real plants. I do need to get some real plants, but I do not have any real plants right now. And then I have just my dresser area. I have two TVs right now because when I came back from school, this is my school TV, this is my regular TV. So I don't really know where to put that at, so I'm kind of just letting it do its thing. And over here is where I keep my laptop and my hard drive and my USB drive and all that. I also have a candle over here and some fabric freshener. That's me. And if you're wondering why I've changed for the third time, I took a shower and don't worry about it. So this is my mirror area where I have my white rug. I have my chair, beanbag chair, and this is just a blanket that I use to sleep with, and I fold it up and put it right there. Ring light, and my camera usually sits right there, but I have my camera in my hand, so it's not right there. So like I said, I'm definitely getting rid of this desk because it's makeup stained and it overall just looks crazy. But This is my vanity that I have straightened up because it looked terrible before. But I have all my stuff over here where it needs to be. Have more books over here. Have my camera equipment, my ring light equipment. These two buckets right here that are just filled with miscellaneous hair supplies and things like that. My chair, all that. Like I said, I really need to get this desk out of here. Like, I need this vanity to be cute so it can go with the full aesthetic of my room, and it's not pleasing to me right now. So over here I have my I Can and I Will Prove Them Wrong wall art. This, and guys, the closet, like, y'all saw how terrible my closet was before. The closet is back to normal. It looks regular. I have my school book bag and my purse on there, and I also have a chest down there that I keep other things in. I want to show you guys my agenda. So this is basically my new schedule for videos now. So I'll be posting videos on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Saturday, hopefully, if I can make that happen. I also have a daily affirmation on this wall. On this board. And I have a weekly to-do list, and that is so I can stay organized. Yeah, that all in all is basically my clean my room with me video. Some of the parts did get cut out because my camera kept dying because it took way longer than I thought that it would to clean my room. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a video. With some twerk with off. I wanna slim fine woman with some twerk with off. I wanna slim